Hey guys, if you want to see how I make these beautiful candle holders, stay tuned. Okay guys, you're going to need 3 of these 7-inch cylinder bases. They come in 9 and 7 inches and I chose 7. And you're going to need 11 of these tea light candle holders. I chose this amber color, but Dollar Tree has several different colors. You just, choose the color that you want to use. And I am just hot gluing the 2 tea light holders together. And it's really simple. You're just gonna sort of build your height. As you can see, we made 2 little stacks right here, and we're just gonna glue them together. Now, if you want this to be permanent, by all means use E6000 or Gorilla Glue or something that's more permanent, but I'm just gonna use regular old hot glue because I plan on recycling and disassembling after the season is over. So my glue gun was all jacked up, so I'm struggling here, but I'm just, hot gluing the 2 stacks together. And we're going to create the tallest candle holder out of the set. So what you do is you glue the 2 sets together, and then you'll take a single one and glue that to the top. And that's going to be the base for the cylinder to sit on. And you can see what I'm doing. Now we're going to do the 2 shorter ones, and it's going to take 3 of the tea lights to do the shorter ones. Now, depending on how tall you want yours to be, you just buy the tea lights according, to the heights you want. You could be taller, shorter, however many you want to put together. But I just chose to do 1 that's tall and 2 that are the same height. So you have that sort of, height variation going. So now I'm just putting 2 more together, and then I'm just going to glue a single one on top of those. And there we go. And that's going to do it for the shorter set, or the shorter candle holder, should I say. So I'm making the other one. And again, you can see how simple this is. And now I'm going to take the cylinder bases, and then I'm going to glue those to the tops. And right here, I'm just showing you how it looks. I'm adjusting the camera so you can see the height of the tallest one. And that's what it's going to look like. And I was really mad this day because that glue gun was just not cooperating. And I was filming downstairs, so I didn't have my big industrial size glue gun with me. And there we go. So we are done with the tallest. And here I'm showing you that you need to use the clear glue sticks if you choose to use the glue gun, because sometimes glue sticks can be a little bit cloudy and you want it to be as crystal clear as possible. So I got those glue sticks from Walmart, so just be mindful of that. and just making sure that it's level. Sometimes your glass can be a little bit wonky, so you just want to make sure they're good and level. And there we go. The set's all done and they're so pretty, and I can't wait to use these in my fall decorating. I'm going to show you what they look like with the Dollar Tree pillar candles inside. But yeah, these are so super simple and super easy, like I always say, to make. And here they are with the Dollar Tree pillar candles inside. I only had 2 of the plain, and then I had the 2 that had the little silver dots on it, or 1 with the silver dots, so I put it in the center. But yeah, they look so pretty, and like I said, I can't wait to put it on a fall tablescape or incorporate it somewhere into the house for fall. But they are so pretty, and again, you can choose whatever color tea lights that you want to use for a base, and you can either use the 7-inch cylinder or the 9-inch, just depends on your preference. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.